Well, good morning from Life on the Whitefish. I got a call from a good friend of mine yesterday, said he was going to fire up the sawmill today, and I got some big projects going on. Remod on the little north house at my place, and I need some plank flooring for my upholstery shop. I need a solid 20 by 20 by 20 block of wood for my anvil in the blacksmith shop. So my butt is headed up to the Escanaba River, going up in Cornell and see my good friend Johnny B. Come along. Well, I wonder who's shitting his bed. He's already out here sawing. Jody, she kills a coyote a day, doesn't she?
Yeah, pretty much so.
Yeah. I see you guys shot the heck out of the deer this year.
Yeah, we did good with both of you. We never shot nothing in guns.
Better start scouting some turkeys for us too. I got guys coming this spring. Yeah.
So you keep your logs clean so you don't have to drag them in the dirt.
No, it ain't good for the saw blade.
log. Make Patrick a nice 6x6 post for his remodel job. No.
Need a hand?
Nope. My son built this nice little neat ramp system we're going to use to load this log, and it works pretty slick. Out.
Nice when you don't have to depend on anyone else, eh?
Right.
Get something done.
For what it does, we don't worry about it. Go over the top of the log. Come back into the bunk. On the edge of the bunk here. Now you roll her up. Getting a 1/2-inch drill in. We rolled 27-inch, 12, 16 feet long red pine logs right up the same way.
Yeah.
Rolled right up the end.
This is no problem because I'm going to go, I got a 4-inch step floor in my apartment. I'm going to go through the floor and put this right on the concrete. That'll be right through the floor by the time I trim that shit. Ready? Get up that box here. Got it? Yeah. Look at that. That's pretty white ash.
Pretty wood.
Yeah, that's just like looking at fans in an agate, man. Same thing, only a wood.
Oh. This is a nice piece of wood, but
It sure is.
this is a beauty. Upper Michigan white ash. Dead tree when I cut it down. Going to waste, rotting in the woods.
Look at that.
This baby is rotting in the woods. Falling down. Like these all day long. Huh? That's pretty sweet, eh?
You darn right that's sweet.
Standing dead tree turned into something that beautiful.
6 inches of solid white ash.
Look at that. Dude, it's
Sawmill Monday at Johnny B's
That's right. Hell yes.
on the Escanaba River.
And we cut a log open and we found a coyote in the damn log.
A coyote in the wood.
Look at that. Coyote head.
What a beautiful piece of wood.
We almost got a track here. Look at that. Is that cool or what? I mean, come on. These trees are standing dead in the woods. And we got us a coyote face. That is sweet.
I know, isn't that cool?
That is really cool. Jody's got to see that. It's pretty sweet.
That'd be cool because I can take and carve the ears and stuff in
Oh
it.
yeah, right, exactly.
Well, there you have it. There's a little bit of Sawmill Monday over on the Escanaba River. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time.